ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko this season. Ebra Frederick Asare other 15 times and this season in the Premier League. The first timer Vision FC Ebo. Vision FC about short and should there be Emmanuel Habona Chenchen de Bona Kakoma. Emmanuel Senior and the crab Emmanuel Bona Tente that Chita box no Bona go for a chance. Now should there be goal kick caught fabulous.
Just who Cheba for chance unyaya or balloon bono, and this is the second time Abba. Kumasa Asante Kotoko will be I think say infinity hodomono.
Crack the second sports complex. Cheba for 80 box on him. Cheba for 110 chance. Now should that be Vision FC amount to pressure upon pressure. So Vision FC run 10 crab on. One more pass. Bono crab Vision. Which I on the Bona Quachiri. Bona Quackity Gofford. Henry Kwame Ansu. Free kick court Yama. Vision of Buenas will be annual. Peter Midu, a Clebon F. Bonda Socra. Che a chance. Keep on up Bonaba. Another chance. Now should there be Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mantana Club lines in Tentem. Pressure upon pressure. Vision FC are creating all the chances.
Yeah, Justice College Vision creating chances. No, no.
Phone, original TV, and Metro TV a chance. Now should that be corner kick called Yama Vision FC. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Stephanie Dauda Saka. A chance. Now should that be Kete. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omo to American Emmanuel Antwi. Emmanuel Antwi, Rastaman. The 25th game this season. Way and the second goal in the season. Odima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 2023-2025. Nobody more Great Olympics.
Make a bit say version. And you sue on chances now. Na Tracy Bibi, a Danny Dia game ni behu, and Ushe baby a Justice Blade Peja born na born a buy and he had a born in 50 na Univision player be our and they gave room to entry our control bonus ball power deflect born. I think it's a very, very good goal from Kumasi Asante
Kotoko Mantene Krabono. We job on Patrick, but I tentini Bonachina should that be Opiani 18 boxing. Vision FC Manten wa jabo ya Kwakuma Emmanuel. Nasa Vision aya panche Emmanuel Cheiba for Ebra. Omotuna fi with 3 any Lekon City about 1-1. Bono Crab Vision. Hey go. Vision FC. Vision FC Omoto Amoka. Vision FC Forti Amoka. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 1 Vision FC 1. Abranchani Dene. Etimon Asante. Wofi Banche Banche. Second half here, Anobamu, Edmond Asante, Wabo Mani Antikano Adiama. Vision Football Club. Onunkoni goalkeeper. Kamara Nkwa. Ano place on the Twatana. Atimona Sante. Watane. Vision FC. Passing Antimanko. One beautiful turning for Emmanuel Anchi. Edmond Asante Kotoko a chance and also there be a corner kick. The second goal this season at Edema Vision. What said it here? Mediama Bramote Mediama Bomb 3-2. No. What to and this time around, no problem at all. 18-year boxing and no place on the Twatana. 82 minutes. Vision FC 2. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0.
That is called a very, very good goal by our standard. And the kind catcher will say, baby, at time they do no. Coaches, no players, no be training, say, Obetimenya winning goal. What would defenders? Ebe Breno. On a likely say game you bet me elusu. And so far, a chance by version FC take leader. That's called on modern one also in any area. Probably about be so by supporting version FC. No, I don't think say game
a chance. Nasudabi.
I don't think say game option. Obeka say Ebia Watusi Kegu. And this is the Ghana Premier League. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
7 more minutes to go. Akasima Marco and Son Yan Fabian Toswa. Na Yatikeni Pavier. Vision FC already winning 8 home matches. I draw 7, I lose just 1 match. A win for them at Yombako, 9 wins in 17. Kofi Nistivo there, Omodiano. Omodia, yeah. A chance for Vision. A goal! There you go! Duku Wachani, second goal this afternoon. Vision FC Atwatne Tosumiangsa. Abranchani Tene. Duku. Laparan Mati. Frank Abora Duku. Frank Abora Duku. What's a third goal? The second goal this afternoon at the Vision Football Club. Kotoko Diabene. Kotoko Diabene. Vision FC Atwatne Tosumiangsa. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Duku Ofi bench nearby. Ofi bench. Frank Abora Duku. Ofi bench nearby. Wabebo. 2 goals. And at the Vision Football Club.